What's going on? 100 Plus ENT on Instagram and YouTube. Subscribe to that. Sounds familiar. Support or stay silent. SOSS. I'm here in the 2008 Audi Q7. Starting to get going on the vehicles again. I got this helmet on because I was in one of the Mercedes that was a project build going up the highway, and somebody was illegally coming down the highway and wrecked into me, and I had to get my, you can't really tell because of my hair, but my skull had to be surgically removed, part of my skull. And then, yes, see how it's a slant? That's why it's slant. But yeah, they had to take that out because the damage he did caused injury to me and had my brain swelling. So they had to get that removed, get my bone flap removed right here, and that way it'll be some more air for my brain that's swelling up to go. And now it's not swollen anymore. It's reduced its size back to normalcy. And now I'm gonna get my bone flap that they surgically removed out of my skull. I'm getting that put in tomorrow. So my skull's gonna be fully repaired now because my brain is healthy. So I haven't been able to get on the vehicles or any of the other content that I had because of that issue. And so now we're back. I'm back alive. For real. And have Q7. Issue at first was because of the transmission, and it's still the issue. So now I have my scanner up. I'm about to get some content. Using my OBD2 scanner to give me some things of it. It says the brake pad check, brake lining, so something with the brake line. One of the brake lines has an issue. Oil life remaining. It says months. So still got about 5-6 months. Brake boost vacuum system, mechanical failure. So it's with the boost of like close to the master cylinder, the brake booster. Evap system, that's the evaporation. It's one of those parts of the car that has tubes to them and to like the canister or so. But now there's a small leak. It's just something that's old there. Just get it replaced. Then the park neutral switch input circuit. That's a, it should be like a switch module, like something. It's just a part that it needs to be replaced as well. It's like something with the wire harness to it, which that's why it says input circuit short to ground. Probably I need to look that in some more and figure out which, but it's just like a fuse kind of issue. It says the voltage is too low for power supply terminal 30. I have to look into that as well. These are the things that are popping up and giving me better information on what I need to do to fix this car, the things that are wrong with it. So, we're in good condition to do this. Tire pressure monitoring system, I believe, TPMS. The engine's fine, besides needing coolant, so the water pump is not affected. But here's the sound here, towards where I believe the transmission, I believe it's not engaging and switching the gears out. So here's the noise when I switch it from park to reverse and neutral and drive. Yeah. Get that noise there. Go to neutral and it quiets itself down. Then it wants to pick itself back up. Back to reverse, making noise again. Drive, making much more noise. And neutral, it's the only time that it's down. So yeah, we need that fixed. We gotta get there. Possibly just redo the transmission and the switches around it, and check the fuse, and also check the wires to the switches. So that's where we're at, and I'm back doing the cars. So yeah, sitting here in Ohio, going to the Copart auctions that you can see on my channel as well, on my YouTube. Yeah.